Hey everyone, let's whip up a Burrito Paloma, a signature cocktail from Mezcal Burrito Fiestero. Alrighty, so we're making this one up in a shaker. First thing first, we're gonna pop some ice in there, fill that shaker up. Followed by a couple of pieces of jalapeno, 2 little slices. Your mezcal, 45 mils of Burrito Fiestero. And this mezcal is absolutely beautiful. I tried some of it yesterday. It's nice and sweet. It actually has a kind of a chili aroma when you hold it up to your nose. You get that first kind of really hot chili kind of flavor. Anyway, next ingredient is our 15 mils of agave. I always guesstimate that, your sweetener. We've got 45 mils of grapefruit juice, 15 mils of lime, all freshly squeezed. And I don't have the top for it. Pop our top on our shaker and just give that one a shake. It gets nice and cold. Oh, that's feeling good there. Alright, nice and shaken. We'll pop that off to the side there. And then pop our rocks glass down. Fill your rocks glass with ice. That's it. And we're going to get our nicely cooled down drink out of our cocktail shaker. We're just going to pour that straight in. Epic. Look at that, looks nice. Now just your last little ingredient, 1 dash of your bitters. And just a little mint, what do they call them? Mint crown. So just the tip of the mint. Mint crown. Alrighty, look at that. Your burrito. Burrito Paloma. Ready? That one was hard to make today. Cheers, everyone.